How to activate Face ID on iPhone 12. So if you have iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I want to activate your iPhone Face ID, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. With your Face ID turned on your iPhone 12, you'll be able to unlock your iPhone with your Face ID without using a passcode. So to do this, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, you need to scroll down. Keep scrolling to get to Face ID and passcode and click on that. Now go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. Once you type in your iPhone passcode, scroll down the page and locate Setup Face ID and click on that. Then choose see how to set up Face ID pops. On this page, go ahead and click on Get Started. Then focus your face on the Face ID camera and then rotate it like this. Once confirmed, you should see first Face ID complete. Then next, you should see use face mask with the Face ID. In this case, just come here and click on Setup Later. Then once you hit Setup, you should see Face ID is now set up. Go ahead and click on Done. Then you can also come to use Face ID for here to confirm how you want to use the Face ID. If you want to use Face ID for App Store, make sure you turn on iTunes and then App Store. And once you're done, you can now exit this page. Now, when next you want to unlock your iPhone, and just press the side button, then focus on your iPhone, then you should see the iPhone screen unlocked. You will no longer be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode. So that's how to turn on or activate Face ID on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.